Evolution of a Trader, episode I don't know, 28 or some shit. Uh Pulling up today after a day off. Yesterday just didn't really have what I wanted it to have. This week is actually kind of slow, which sucks. It looks actually, I take that back. It looks like the moves are happening at the end of the day right now. Unfortunately, that's not when I want to trade. So I'm gonna keep on sticking to my rules, my trades, like I said I'm going to, and wait for the market to give me what it wants to give me. And then today it did. Still paper trading now, but what I do is I have dropped my account down to like $4,000. So it's as if I'm trading with a real account amount that I would be trading with on margin. I almost didn't trade it today because I don't know, just everything, like I said earlier, everything was looking pretty slow. But then I came across a few little guys and I decided to create a little plan for CTRM. I noticed that it was traveling through that channel right there, in that channel between like 13.50 and 12. And I mean, that's $1.50 channel, and it's doing that in 2 candles. So this first one I got in a little too early and saw it going down and just bit the bullet. It's like, fuck it. Yeah, and then the second one, took my time, didn't want to hop right back in just because I know what that can lead to based off my past. And then I did see that dip down pretty much right where I saw. Right here, I'm just checking my trade price because I couldn't see it down there. I was doing market orders. And that's the thing about Thinkorswim. Unless you got, I mean, maybe one of you guys can help me out. I hate doing limit orders on Thinkorswim because it takes so fucking long to go through, do all that shit. I don't know if there's a hotkey or an easy big button that I don't know about, but if somebody does, help a brother out. And so, yeah, I got in here and just kind of let it ride out. I got a little nervous right here because I was like, shit, is it going to break the pattern right now? Break this little channel that it's being built? Fortunately, started to see a little bit of resistance or support right there. I had my stop at 12 because that was the last, that lowest candle in that channel. So that's what I was holding on to. And yeah, son of a bitch squeezes up real nice. I didn't get out just yet because what I do on here, because I can't trade, or I've just been using market orders, is I try to let if I'm buying, I try to let the ask get somewhere close to where I would buy. And then I try to let if I'm selling, the bid get closer to where I would sell. And same concept for short. So that way, I think this is the one where I sold off. And so that way, oh no, this one I wanted to sell off right there, but I missed it. And then as soon as it got back up to that 3, I sold off. But yeah, so that way it gets to like a theoretical limit that I would have been selling at, kind of thing. And at that point, I was up 200. But the trend on here just seemed too easy for me to pass up. So I stuck around for a little bit longer. Was that about almost 20 minutes I stuck around for, and then saw it hitting the low of that channel again and hopped in for another go at it. Was making sure to get it under, again, like I was saying, with buying at the bid or buying when the ask is at a reasonable price on here. I waited and waited and waited and waited until it got down to like 1249 or something. And so that way, because Thinkorswim always gives you a better order on the sim trader, but if you're using Sure Trader, that shit is and you buy a market, that shit's giving you the fucking bid no matter what. So if it's like $1 spread, you throw in 500 shares, you're down 500 immediately. So that's why I try to focus on that. So yeah, I got in, and then it immediately started to curl back up. And I didn't like it. I didn't like the action that was happening, so I just hopped out and then just closed out and call it on the day. And that's it, guys.